Yeah. First time hailing, huh, this winter?
This winter, yeah.
We see it every winter though.
I think so.
Brian's helping me make mandos. And he already spilled some. It's a lot of hard work, huh? Oh, you're so good at it.
What do you mean?
How'd you do that?
I don't know, you just pinch.
That was great.
You just like do this, Jed.
I think you might be better than me.
I guess.
I only know how to do the simple kind. So cold. Still warm?
Oh my god, it's
Really heavy, isn't it?
really heavy.
Ooh! They look so good. What are you gonna try? That's the double chocolate one.
Oh my god, it's warm still.
And it's supposed to be gooey. Verdict? Worth it? Worth the 10-pound delivery fee?
How much you pay for this?
50 pounds together, including delivery fee.
Yeah, worth it.
This is double chocolate. I think this is white chocolate miso.
Yeah.
That's banana and banana and dark chocolate. And these are milk chocolate.
This is to support my weight loss program.
I'm gonna be making LA kalbi for tomorrow. So I have my short ribs here. I left it in cold water for about an hour to draw out excess blood. And now I'll be making the marinade. So here I already blended some garlic, onions, kiwis, and apples. And then I'll add some sugar, soy sauce, and rice wine and make the marinade. So I have the soy sauce and rice wine in here. I'll add maybe 2 tablespoons of sugar. Not too much because I have apples in here, which will make it naturally sweeter. And then I'll pour in this blended mixture. And then mix. So just pouring a little bit on top. then I'll flip these to get the other side. These are ready. They'll be in the refrigerator overnight so we can eat them tomorrow. And we actually had a lot of short ribs, so we can't finish them all. So I got half of them in this Ziploc bag to freeze so we can eat them later on. Franco Manca is Ryan's favorite pizza spot. One of favorite pizza spots, and I just saw that they do these pizza kits, so we're gonna attempt to make them at home. So it comes in a box. We have these ingredients and the pizza dough. They were sitting out in room temperature for like 1 or 2 hours now. Do you think we can fit 2?
No.
Or just 1? Okay.
You could probably use the flour. I don't think it has to be perfect. I think it looks good.
So tomato sauce first. Okay, I did 3 scoops here, so I'll do 3 here too. This is chorizo. So this one is one in the oven first, and then you put it in a pan. And that one was just in a pan. And that one got burnt a little on the bottom. What do you think the verdict is?
I almost like that one better.
You like the burnt one better?
Almost, yeah.
I like the other one better. But it for sure tastes better when you actually go to Franco Manca.